I don't know if you saw my recent LinkedIn post talking about the FDA issuing 5 different letters of warning to 5 different sunscreen companies. This made the headlines this week. So here we see on the New York Post, one of the brands is Supergoop, which is super familiar. We also have Fox News reporting on it. Here we can see they're giving a little bit more clarity of what was the FDA warning about, and we're seeing that it saying that the products were misbranded because they didn't meet the marketing requirements by the agency. You can also find the actual FDA warning letter that Supergoop received in early August. So super interesting things. So today I wanted to show you how Loopholes could have been preventing all of it. But not only that, let's check out Supergoop to see if they learned from their mistake. So first of all, this is the Loopholes platform, marketing compliance platform. To make it simple, we act like an antivirus just for marketing risks, and we do it by connecting to all of your marketing channels and running scans at the background to let you know if we found any type of risks in your marketing content. So we do it by, like I said, connecting to your different marketing channels. I already connected my Meta Ads Manager and my Google Ads, which is the main advertising platforms I work with. And then here I'm getting every day a kind of report from all of the marketing channels that I connected to our platform. So I can visit them, see the details, and go and fix it. We can also scan web pages, which means that I can go and drop here any link from a page that is currently published and is online. So that can be your press release, your homepage, a product page, things like that. So let's start there. I think that will be really cool. So I already went to the Supergoop website, and this is the best seller, their Unseen Sunscreen, which is also one of the products they got the warning about. So all I have to do here is go and paste this URL into my Loopholes platform. So here, let's just name it Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, adding this website to my scanner. I click scan, and in a few seconds, you'll see if this product page is compliant or not. Now, the 3 components that we scan against are your own brand guidelines, which is something that you can create on our policy management center. We also scan against the ad platform policies. So wherever you're advertising, if it's Meta, Google, TikTok, Snapchat, all of those policies are already built into our platform, as well as the regulatory standards that your company has to follow. So for this example, Supergoop needs to follow the FDA marketing rules for consumer sunscreen products. So this is already built into our platform here. And we already see that Loopholes identified 2 high risks in this product page. So the policy we're violating is an FDA policy related to marketing. And here we're showing you the non-compliant text that we found on this page and how we suggest to fix it. So these are the 2 warnings that we found, for example, by just scanning their product page. Another cool way to interact with our product is by using our browser extension. So I already went ahead and downloaded it here from the Chrome Web Store. So let me show you. How that works. So let's say I'm a marketer that works for Goop, and today I'm deciding that creating an ad of why we made Supergoop so awesome. So all you have to do is open our browser extension and pasting that copy that we found that we want to use, and let Loopholes let you know if it's compliant or not. So you can see you're getting live feedback on the spot, knowing if that ad copy that you wanted to use on Facebook or Google or whatever ad platform is going to work or not. And here we're already finding that this is not compliant, and we're giving you a suggested alternative on how to fix it. You can do the same with images, audio, and video by simply uploading them to our system. In a few seconds, you'll know if those are compliant. Another cool feature that we have is that we're embedded in all of the ad platforms content fields. So now I'm on the Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not familiar, all good. It can be a little bit overwhelming. But yeah, let's test this again here. So let's say if I'm using this content here as my main content. And let's see, as I'm typing it or pasting it, you'll see the loopholes icon starting to work. And here we're seeing that there are another few violations that can make your ads getting rejected. So this is how you can know for sure if your content is compliant or not before you actually go and publish your ads. So again, I can do it with different ad copy by adding different images and things like that. And you'll see that the feedback is happening inside the ad platform, so you don't need to go anywhere or disturb your workflow. And you can always use our browser extension from wherever you go and keep going back here to connect your marketing channels and scan different web pages. Last thing that I wanted to show that is pretty cool here, which we mentioned, is our policy center. This is where brands can create their own rules and guidelines that they want their whole organization to follow. And so I'm going to show you a very simple example. Do not allow the use of the word guarantee. All I need to do is save it. Now let's go back here to the Ads Manager. We saw that this content got approved, correct? So let's just add the word guarantee to it and see what happens next. So Loopholes is scanning it. And the new rule that we just created, the no unrealistic guarantees, is now enforced on this ad copy that was approved before, but we wanted to include this new rule. So all I have to do is click apply, and this is the content that we suggest to replace it with. It doesn't include the word guarantee, so now you can go ahead and publish your campaign. So this is it. Thank you so much for being here with me today and letting me show you how Loopholes work. And if you have any questions, if you want a live demo of one of your marketing channels or your website, feel free to drop a message to me or write a comment, and I'll get back to you with the link to schedule it. Thank you so much.